up, guys? Thanks for coming back for another. Man, it's summertime. Ribs are in season. This is going to be episode number 2 in the rib series. Today, we're doing the 4-2 method. That's 4 hours in the smoke. Try to develop that bark, and 2 hours wrapped up. And I got a little something special for the wrap. Going to do that a little bit differently. Today, we're doing not the St. Louis style, but today we're doing Babybacks. A little more meaty, a little shorter, but a little more meaty. I kind of like these. Also, going to go with the Sriracha rub on these things as a binder. Well, Sriracha binder for my rub, a basic barbecue rub. We'll get to that. First thing though, already got these things out of the package, toweled them off. I want to deal with this membrane. In the last video, you might have seen where we used a paper towel and pulled the membrane. With this one though, we're going to keep the membrane on, but I'm going to score it. So we're not cutting deeply, we're just scoring that membrane on the meaty section, not on the bone, one way, and then we're going to cross hatch it. What this is going to do is it'll draw back a little bit as it's heating up, as it's cooking in the smoker. It'll allow more smoke to get inside. This is kind of, you would do this in lieu of pulling the membrane all together. Just like that. All right, so let's get this Sriracha on these ribs. Then we'll get our salt. Again, I like to go with the coarse salt, and then some of that little basic barbecue rub. Oh yeah, I think so. There we go. Those things coated up real well. Man, I'll tell you what, I love Sriracha as a binder. Get a little salt on these. And we're gonna go ahead and, while we're on this side, get some of that rub on there. All right, boom, there we go. Let's get them on. Let's start that 4-hour timer. All right, there we go. 3 racks of Babybacks going in the smoke. All right, here we go. After 4 hours in the smoke, the 4-2 method. That one that right there was on the bottom, got a little warm on the bottom. You can see greater pull away on that one. We switched this one that was on the top to the bottom, but these bad boys are ready to get in a little wrap for 2 more hours. All right, we got these ribs back inside after 4 hours in the smoke. Now it's time to wrap them up. Get them back on for 2 hours, no smoke. But when I wrap them up, I'm gonna bring in the secret weapon. We're gonna try a little, that's right, a little bit of lard this time. Just a little tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons in the bottom of the foil. We're gonna go meat side down, that scored membrane side up, wrap them up real tight and get them back on. All right, let's get these 3 racks of Babybacks back on for the last 2 hours of this 4-2 method for smoking some Babyback ribs. All right, guys, my meter battery ran out. That's the little probe end right there. But from the time I've had on here, I know we're good. These have been on for about 6.5 hours now, so the 4-2.5. These things are ready to go. I'm gonna pull them, let's get them inside. Maybe we'll get some taste testers inside. The 4-2 method. Unwrapped, remember we put 2 heaping teaspoons of lard in here. Pork lard, pork fat for pork meat. Pull the foil off, pull the foil off. Pull it. Okay. That way, there we go. All right. Okay, we might take 2 on that. All right, so got a little bark developed. That's the way I kind of like mine. I like mine with a little bit of bark, kind of like a burnt hot dog. This is not burnt though. Let's give this a shot. Let's give this, hold on, pup, this is still pretty hot. All right, check this out. Son, how about you jump in here, get a plate, and don't forget some of this sauce right here. Okay, boom, grab a plate, get you a rib here. Fell off the bone. Woo. There you go, drizzle it on, pup. A little hot? All right, I'm gonna get in here and try a little bit of this. Yep, falling apart. Woo! Tell you what, I'm gonna try it without the sauce. Oh man, Pulling away.
Oh, that's good.
Oh my God.
This one's really good.
Woo! Man, that is juicy. That is juicy. That's why I wrap pork in the foil. It keeps all the moisture in. Adding that extra little bit of pork fat really does help get the juices back in. Hey guys, that's the 4-2 method for ribs. You can do them with any kind of ribs. These just happen to be Babyback ribs. We chose to do Sriracha as a binder, and I'll tell you what, I could really tell we got the Sriracha on it this time. Also on this one, we didn't remove the membrane. We scored it, right? If you're looking for a video on removing the membrane, look back at the 3-2-1 ribs. We removed the membrane on that. Really easy to do. Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. Though we haven't dropped a video in a while, but you know, life and times. Appreciate you watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks guys.
Bye.